some fat. Mix it, knead it, let rest or rise. Corn.
So remember that raisin bread that we made last week? Now we're going to take 4 slices of it and we're going to cube it and put it in this casserole. So now that we got our bread cubed, we got 2 cups of milk. We're going to add 2 eggs to that. A teaspoon of vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. I think it was a teaspoon. We're going to whisk that together. I do have my oven heating up as high as it'll go, because it says hot heat. So mix this up. I've never made bread pudding. This is my first time making it. Gonna get this all mixed up really good. Oops, I forgot the sugar. The recipe didn't call. It says in the description on how to make this recipe, it called for sugar, but in the recipe it didn't say how much sugar, so I'm using a 1/2 cup because I did Google how much sugar to put in there, and I'm using white sugar, granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, whatever you have on hand. Now our milk mixture we're going to pour over our bread cubes. I'll try to do this one-handed. So we're going to pour that over our bread cubes. Then we're going to bake this for 20 minutes. Of course, we're supposed to stir this too. So let me stir this, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. So I stirred it, and we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes, but in 10 minutes, we're going to stir it again. Recipe says to let set for 5 to 10 minutes and then serve with whipping cream or ice cream topping. So I'm going to let this set. I'm going to eat some breakfast, and I'm going to have this for like a little kick. So after breakfast. So there you go. There's your bread pudding.